Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of the layer on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the layer section. In the upper part of this, tap to the normal caption. Here you can see the types of the layer. Layers can change the hue of the colors, and choose the one what you want. Darken, color dodge, soft light, hard light, or something else. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.